Hi, Chelsea and Jason. I'm going to look at your work together. And Chelsea's. Okay, so Chelsea, you did not say what you were doing, so I don't remember. I do think that you've done a good job putting these all together. I can see you really thinking about it. I like how overall your three choices are very high contrast images that works really well in design. The watercolor, I think, is sort of a weak look. You could probably get away with that with Apple since they really don't want much in their design. But any of these other brands, I think you have to be pretty aggressive. Great color palettes, all vibrant. Love that beautiful purplish blue there. And I like that you have plenty of highlights throughout. That'll help with the emphasis as you move forward. Okay, so of course I wouldn't use the sports quake unless it was, just a headline. It's because you can see for yourself it's impossible to read. Well, almost. Same with this one. And these two bottom fonts would work well in paragraph form. Well done. Okay, Jason, I think you said you were doing Nike, right? Yeah, Nike, Nike. Okay, so you're drifting a little more towards a realistic, um, hand-drawn, sort of muted palette for Nike, which could work. Nice, nice display. So if you're going to do that, of course, you're going to need something to really punch out the message. And you could even just do it all with very simple colors, and then maybe one thing on the entire page could be a real bright highlight color. It would be a great way to advertise and show emphasis. Okay, so this calligraphy one and Rockwell and Sealoam, these last three I know come on everybody's computers. So it's not going to look really creative, especially Rockwell. That's been used a lot. I think that was like the font 5 years ago. This Black Ops 1 looks like military, of course. Gastromond reminds me of sort of the 70s. So I recommend to keep looking, keep other things in mind, don't nail anything down. Just you really need to think about the message that you're going to send out, and that'll help you decide where to go. All right, good work, everybody. I can't wait to see what you're going to do.